Mrhumboldthippy here. We're looking at some type of flock of some type of birds. I have no idea what they are. I'm pretty sure they're wild and not in this yard, even though it's obviously an open pasture with an electric fence. We're in a wildfowl life area, and flocks and flocks of birds fly by. So I don't know what these are. I'm going to get a little bit closer. You can see this big industrial toxic death device thing called a truck. Just drove by. And someone's radio, so it's a good chance that'll ruin the video, and YouTube will yank it for copyright infringements because someone's radio is on in the background. And now these birds are way too far away for me to document, which is the whole point of always do as many videos as possible. Always document everything, go back and try and edit or do another video. I have no idea what these things eat. It seems to me like they're picking up grass and different things. They sure are able to dig pretty deep with those beaks. I don't want to sound strange or anything, but I think a lot of huge flocks of birds are coming out of the sky right now because our whole town's been inundated with, I don't want to say that, let me see, the proper terminology would be contrails, C-O-M, which are these clouds that they put out of the planes that fly over. And it takes about 3 to 5 hours for them to spread out. And if you're interested in any of those sort of things, I've got endless documentary on these clouds that planes fly over, and I document every aspect in detail of, from start to finish. There's no controversies, no conspiracy. We make clouds. So these things affect the sunlight, they affect the flying patterns, and they affect the natural things that live in the air. And I have no doubt to reason that there's some reason that maybe birds don't want to be flying through it. You'll notice there's plenty of variety of other birds out here that are not, none of these are, I mean, you know, those littler birds, they're not game. Those aren't game birds. Those are blackbirds. Maybe not. Maybe those are some type of game birds. I think the chances that this property raises those birds is none, and that this is just where they come. But I don't know. I mean, I'm pretty, you know, I'll admit I'm not, you know, knowledgeable on game birds and farming and different things. So, I mean, it is an agricultural community. We are in a country area, and this is a bird property. So, I guess I'm kind of maybe arguing the obvious fact that they're domestic birds. But I mean, I've never seen a bird like this. So again, I'm kind of dumb. Because those smaller ones are not blackbirds. I thought that those were more common. But again, we're in what's called the wetlands right now. And this is an area where birds commonly will fly over from other countries and parts of the world to come mate or to come feed or whatever. And so we're not necessarily where they're going, but somewhere where they can stop and eat, take a break maybe. Or again, maybe because there's something in the air right now that's messing up their tracking or ability to go where they need to go.